Ever wondered if you're paying too much for your phone SIM-only contract? Well, the chances are that you are. According to Citizens Advice, some 71% of people overpay on their SIM-only plan. So how do you know if you are, and how do you find the right SIM-only deal that will meet your needs and not cost an arm and a leg? Here are some quick tips for you when trying to work out what you need from your phone contract. Data is everything. Data will be the biggest deciding factor, as these days most contracts come with unlimited phone call minutes and texts. See how much data you currently use. The company you are with for your contract will be able to tell you this either on the phone or on their app if they have one. Look at your average and the max you've used in the last 12 months, so you know how much will cover you if you have a high usage month. If you'd like to get your data usage down to save more money, particularly if you are between data jumps, my single best tip is to turn off all apps in your mobile data that you do not need when you are out of your home. This is because if you keep all the apps turned on for your mobile data, they will use data when you're not using them in the background when doing updates. This contributes to an increase in data usage when you're not actively using it yourself. When you are at home using your Wi-Fi, your mobile data will not be used. Just check your settings to ensure this is the case. Now you know what you need. How do you find yourself a good deal? Super simple. Compare the market. Please do not get pulled in to the first deal you see or one a salesperson tells you about. It's best to use a comparison website and filter by price and find the cheapest deal that gives you either your average or the maximum you've used over the past year. Sorted. Hopefully you will have found yourself a better deal. If you'd like to stay with your current supplier, you could use the deal you found as negotiating power to get your price down. If you'd like to keep your mobile number, all you need to do is text the word PAC to 65075 and give the code provided to your new provider. Hopefully these tips will help you to save yourself some long-lasting cash. If we all did this, we could collectively as a nation be £800 million better off, according to Citizens Advice. That's a lot of money. I currently pay £4.99 for 3 GB of data with unlimited minutes and texts with Lebara. I'd love to know what you will currently pay, what package you have, and who with. Let's see what deals are out there. Don't worry if you're paying too much. Come back and update your comment with how much you're paying once you've found yourself a tasty deal. Peace and love to you all. I will catch you in my next video.